Hello, welcome to my first live stream in a while. I'm working on this typeface print shop. Yeah, and so anyway, I'm using a custom font editor, and I disabled a bunch of stuff, and so now I can't see anything. So I'm just going to, I gotta go look through the editor code and figure out how to get this little like glyph info box set up again. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. So let's make a new window. So we're gonna go Rust, repos, spoon bender. Let's see what we're. There we go. Okay. I'm kind of new at this. I haven't streamed with this setup before, so please bear with me while I figure out the camera. Okay, so what am I doing? So I'm using this fork of RuneBender I made, which I'm like kind of tearing out all the stuff I don't use, trying to make it as minimal as possible. And it has like a default to dark mode, and so I need to do a little bit of work like making the dark mode better. So I've been disabling stuff. Yeah, so these are the things that I've just kind of left changed. I think we want to go for the controller is I think where get dev renderlab widgets controller. Yeah, so I think this is the this is the change I need to make. I just have this commented out. And I guess you could kind of see is, so I have the width of this is set to 600. And normally there's like a little window down here that lets me change the width. But that's gone. And so I was thinking maybe I could just change it here, but you know, like, if I change it in the source and write it, you know, it doesn't automatically update in RuneBender, so that's not going to work. So we need to rebuild RuneBender with this little view enabled. Okay. So to do that, we're going to want to uncomment this, so render source widgets and controller. Excuse me. Here we are. Okay. So right, it worked. And now we can change the width. And it's already been changed because we changed, it's 200, which is what we wanted it to be in our source. So let's take a look here. Okay, so let's just okay. So now what are we doing? We can change this to whatever we want. Can we change it to 300? It's 200. Let's try to change it to 300. All right, change to 300. Okay, so now we just need to look what we're working with over here. 165. I kind of forgot how to zoom in. Oh, there we go. So what's that at? That's at 12. Let's get this other one at 12. This one at 700. Okay, we got 700. Okay, so let's get this to 165, and actually let's look, what is the side bearing line? Is the 18? So we want this one to be at 18. And we want to be 18 on this side as well. So it's 165. There we go. 165. So with this one, let's see, we're at 40 there and 10 there. Okay. We're at 58. So we're 4 there too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. One, two, three, and 4. And there we go. Okay. So that side's the same as the D now. Let's see. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. So I'm realizing now another mistake I made, which is I took the edit window out of here, so I can't edit the default string for the preview window anymore. Okay, so the next thing we should do is, so I'm gonna file save. Okay, Yep. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to do a get status, and we'll see that so this is the one we want to look at, and we want to see this might be used. I think this might be used somewhere else. Let's see. It's not that one. Not that one. That just changes the string. And let me look at one more. This is like my first, I haven't streamed in a long time, so I'm a little bit out of practice. So this isn't going to be the most interesting stream. But I'm just going to figure this out. I think people should, anyone that's watched my streams in the past should know that, you know, really you shouldn't expect a lot from them. Let's see. I'm just trying to get a sense for what the state I left this in, because I had a bunch of stuff I didn't check in, and now I want to see what the heck I was thinking with these. I'm just gonna check out that whole one. Yay, it worked. So now I can go down here and I can test out the spacing for this. Looks like there's a little bit too much space on the right of the eye. So let me use my... why isn't that... Oh, you have to save it. There we go. All right, that looks good for now. 18 on each side with a width of 201, which almost makes me want to like smush it down by 1. I wonder. I'm not gonna worry about that yet, but maybe I'll play with standardizing the widths a little bit. All right, what other ones should we? Okay. All right. I think we should let's call this one good. All right. I think, this is my first stream in this Worklog, so I think I'm going to, take a break and I'm going to check the audio and like music levels and see how everything looks like watching it on my phone and everything. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap up this work session and maybe do like 1 or 2 more work sessions on this before the end of the day. So thank you for watching my first stream. A little bit still trying to figure stuff out, but I hope this is helpful to somebody, or yeah. Anyway, thank you.